Okay, let's complete the modular revision here. So this question we stop on it, and he said here that we have to get the chosen from the red was 5, and from the blue was x minus 5, and the total is x. So if you choose the two are blue, so the first one would be x minus 5 over x multiplying by x minus another one, because he said and not replaced, okay, over the total minus 1 also. All this will be 1 out of 6. So let's do this. So here we have x minus 5. Multiplied by x plus minus 6. Okay, all this will be over x minus 1. Okay, all this will be equal to 1 over 6. Now, here what we do now, we're going to multiply this by 1 for sure. It will be equal the same. So here it will be x multiplied by x minus 1. For sure, 1 we're not going to write it. Equal to 6 multiplied by x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 6. Okay, let's multiply here x. So this is x squared minus 6x minus 5x plus 30. Okay, and here it will be equal x squared minus x. Don't forget here that we already have multiplication by 6. So all this is multiplying by 6. Okay, let's merge this. So it will be minus 11 x plus 30. Okay, and here, okay, so let's do this. So here we multiply all the brackets multiplying by 6. Here we're going to say here So here we have 6 x squared, and we're going to minus x squared in both sides, and here minus x squared. And here is plus x. And actually I make here plus x also. Okay, so here we can summarize all here. So let's do the here 6 minus x here is 5 x squared, and here negative 66 plus 65 here minus negative 65x plus 180 here. Okay, all that's equal to 0. Okay, let's divide all these dividing by 2, dividing by 5. Will be better. Yeah. So 5 dividing by 5 here is x squared minus 13x plus here 18 dividing by 5, which is equal to 3. Okay, remainder here is 3, which is 30 dividing by 5 is 36. And you already did it. He asked, so that's this question has a 5 marks, a very strong question. Okay, then we need you to solve this equation to find the value of x here. So here we can try to factorize it. How to factorize? We say x and 36. Here we can use 9 and 4. 9 and 4 with negative signs. So here x minus 4 and here x minus 9. To see this factorization, if it's right or not. So here we can say negative 4x plus negative 9x, which give us negative 13, which is actually this. Okay, and also multiplication. We can show this by multiplication. Negative 9 multiplied by negative 4, so it's equal to 36, the third term here. So the final answer here, x minus 9 equal to 0 and x minus 4 equal to 0. So now x equal to 4 by moving here, and x equal to 9, and we did. But there is one we have to reject it, you see. Why? Because here the red here is 5, and the total cannot be 4 because the total is the x. Remember from the beginning, he give us the total of the balls is x, the total numbers. So the total cannot be 4 because the blue cannot be -1, which is it's not a counting number that we can put it. So here we reject the 4 and accept the 9. So the x equal to 9. So how many blue we have? We have 4. Here, don't ask it, but I show it. Okay. So here he gave us odd numbers. Here we have odd numbers between 0 and 20. List all the elements odd. When I say odd, so 1, 3, 5, 9, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. Okay, so here he asks you to write the probability of the elements here. Here, he asks you the elements here. One of the chosen sets is chosen randomly. Okay. T is the numbers in the sequence in the n stem 2n squared plus 1. So for sure it would be one of them. Okay. So here we ask you about one of the elements is chosen randomly here. So here to n squared plus 1, how we can figure it out? Just keep the n and put instead of it 1, for example, 1. So 2 multiplied squared by 1 plus 1, which is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. And here, if it's 2 squared, it will be 4. So 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1 here equal to 9. Yeah, so this would be 9. And 2 multiplied by 9, which is 3 squared, plus 1 equal to 19. And this is the 3. Okay, write down the probability that C intersect B. Okay, when 3 intersect B, here we have 1, 2, 3 numbers common. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have the intersection here. It will be equal. Here we can also see yeah, C here is equal to the odd numbers as we already write these 10 numbers. So that is C. P is a prime numbers. So the prime numbers from these, which will be common. So it will be 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Let's count these how many numbers. If we count these, we found them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 common numbers. So that is 7 over 10. Find probability that the element C intersect T. Here intersection, I see that there's only 3 numbers they are common here, which is 3 and 9 and 19 to the odd numbers. Okay, or set C. The set T. And this is B. And now in this question, we needed C with T. The odd numbers with the one who apply for this rule. So this would be equal to 3 out of 10. Now we'll see the next. Factorize. Let's do this. Oh, here is factorization. Here, what we do, we have to take x outside the bracket minus 4. And we factorize it. Okay, here we have to take the like terms. Here we have here and here we have x, y as a outside the bracket. Then we say x plus a. Okay, and the second one here, you have to say that is will be plus. Here we have c, 5c, and inside the bracket x plus a. As we have here common brackets, here we have to say x y plus xc, we can say that y plus 5c and x plus a. Okay, here we have to kick a and a, so it would be half. And here the numbers, we kick the numbers. 3 dividing by 3, 5, it's 1. Dividing by 2, it's 2. Dividing by 2 is 3. So remember here, 6a over 3b. So it would be equal to 2a over b. Okay. And here we have to make it like a single fraction. So let's do this. Here we have zip, zap, zip. So 4 multiplied by 2, it would be 8. X minus 3x minus 12 over here we have to 3 times 2 equal to 6. Okay, so here we have to apply for the negative sign, minus 3x plus 12. And this will be minus 3x plus 12. Okay, let's do this. So here to be equal to here 8 x minus 3x plus 12, which equal to 5x plus 12 over 2.